Welcome to this week's edition of Immunology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Galderma reported record-breaking Q1 2025 sales of $1.129 billion, marking an 8.3% increase year over year. The launches of Nemluvio and Relfydess delivered strong early momentum, both showing blockbuster potential. Growth was seen across injectable aesthetics, skincare, and therapeutic dermatology, with Galderma reaffirming its full-year guidance of 10 to 12% growth at constant currency. Pharma's Delta Force study has been published in the Lancet, representing the first head-to-head phase 3 trial comparing delgocitinib cream to alotretinoin for chronic hand eczema. Delgocitinib achieved all primary and secondary endpoints with fewer adverse events, underscoring its promise as a new topical option for an underserved condition. The FDA has cleared AVAVA's acne scar treatment platform powered by focal point technology. The device is effective across all skin tones, addressing a critical unmet need with minimal downtime. Strong clinical data support its broader use in aesthetic dermatology. Genentech has announced a partnership with Repertoire Immune Medicines valued at up to $765 million. The collaboration focuses on leveraging Repertoire's Decode platform to discover novel T-cell targeting drugs for autoimmune diseases. The deal includes a $35 million upfront payment with the balance in potential milestones. Sebela Pharmaceuticals has reported that Tegoprazan outperformed lansoprazole in trials for erosive esophagitis. The drug demonstrated significant symptom relief across both erosive and non-erosive GERD populations. A new drug application submission is planned for late 2025, following completion of the maintenance phase. Equillium has encountered a regulatory setback after the FDA declined to grant breakthrough therapy designation for Itolizumab in acute graft-versus-host disease. Despite promising long-term safety data, the agency cited insufficient day 29 response rates. Equillium plans to wind down the Equator study and explore new strategic directions. AbbVie has raised its 2025 outlook, increasing its forecast by $900 million, driven by strong sales of Skyrizi and Rinvoq. This comes even as Humira sales declined by over 50% due to biosimilar competition. AbbVie has also announced a $10 billion U.S. manufacturing investment over the next decade. Stay ahead in immunology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.